In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make general ledger entries in QuickBooks with a simple journal entries tutorial you can follow step by step. To get started in QuickBooks Online, go to your dashboard and click the plus new button in the top left corner. From there, look under the Other column and select Journal Entry. This opens a blank journal entry form where you can manually record general ledger adjustments. Before entering any amounts, take a moment to review the journal date. This is important because the date controls the accounting period the entry will affect. If needed, you can also enter a custom journal number. QuickBooks can assign numbers automatically in sequence, but if your business uses a specific numbering format for internal tracking, this is where you can override that default. Next, move down to the transaction lines. On the first line, choose the account you want to affect in the Account column. Then enter the amount in the Debits column. After that, use the Memo field to type a clear and detailed description of the entry. This description is especially helpful later if you need to review the transaction, answer accounting questions, or support the entry during an audit. A good memo makes your records much easier to understand. Once the first line is complete, move to the second line and select the Offsetting account. This is the account that balances the first part of the entry. Enter the same amount in the Credits column so the transaction stays balanced. In QuickBooks, your total debits and total credits must match exactly. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see totals for both sides, and it's a good habit to double-check them before saving. If they do not balance, QuickBooks will not allow the entry to be posted. There's one extra detail to watch for when working with accounts receivable or accounts payable. If either of those accounts is used on a journal line, you also need to select the related name in the Name column, such as the appropriate customer or vendor tied to that row. This helps QuickBooks keep those subledgers accurate and prevents reporting issues later. Once your journal lines are complete and everything balances perfectly, go to the bottom right corner and click Save and New if you want to enter another journal entry right away, or choose Save and Close if you're finished. That will post the entry directly to your general ledger. And that's how to make general ledger entries in QuickBooks using journal entries.